Hello, I'm Alan Frank, CTO at Epilogue Systems. In this video, I will provide you with a very brief overview of how OPUS actually works in practice. I think you'll see the real value it drives inside enterprises. Step 1. Capture knowledge. Users simply record a process, and OPUS automatically captures it. It's as simple as that. For non-application knowledge, the user can curate the sources of knowledge such as policies, procedures, best practices, manual processes, contractual requirements, as well as regulatory and compliance requirements. Step 2. Auto-generate and curate content. OPUS instantly and simultaneously generates a wide variety of outputs used to help and guide users after go live in the execution of application and non-application tasks. Additionally, OPUS automatically generates outputs and content that facilitate other requirements needed during the transformation project, like you see here. Step 3. Deliver knowledge. After go live, employees access the help and guidance they need by accessing the OPUS Advisor. This is done by clicking on the Advisor light bulb extension. In this example, the user needs help on Workday. They first click on Advisor. Then, a window opens with help and guidance relevant to what application they are in, where in that application they are, what department they are in, what their role is, and even their language. In other words, we filter to what's relevant rather than expose the entire library of content, forcing the user to search and mostly likely not find what they need. The user selects the topic they want help with and are presented with different ways of seeing that help, and first selects a straightforward job aid. A simulation, which is like a movie. A digital book, which provides a more holistic view. Our Follow Me walkthrough, which guides the user step by step through the live application, telling them what to do and allowing them to interact with the live application as they go. And finally, our Ask AI, a conversational interface, interacts with all content to assemble an answer to a question. This is where non-application help and guidance is delivered too. If a user has a question about a non-application process, procedure, policy, or best practice, Ask AI is capable of surfacing the desired information instantly. So in summary, OPUS easily captures application processes and pulls from trusted sources of knowledge like you see here. It enables the management of that content with a robust workflow system, which is absolutely required, or the whole thing will crash under the weight of enterprise volume, and makes that knowledge available to user and employees as they work. This illustration highlights where OPUS is used across the application implementation lifecycle. During the transformation project, it facilitates aspects of current state and future state planning. It generates user acceptance test scripts in minutes. It also generates step-by-step documentation which can be used for regulatory compliance purposes, and it facilitates pre-go live training. After go live, it delivers help and guidance in the workflow and in application, as I walked through on a previous slide. Hopefully this brief video about OPUS was helpful in understanding basically how it works and the benefits it can provide to employee productivity and satisfaction. There is a lot more to OPUS, but in the interest of time, we will stop here. I encourage you to watch the video entitled OPUS Vision and Roadmap. There I will walk you through how the current version of OPUS will evolve over the next several years. Thanks for watching.